This is Dave from Upstream, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up Yori Wallet on your desktop and start staking your ADA. So Yori Wallet on desktop is actually a browser plugin, so you want to start by going to yoriwallet.com and click the download button. There you're going to get a list of all the different extensions that you can choose from, and we are going to use Google Chrome. So now you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store or any other web store for the other browsers that you're using, and we're going to click Add to Chrome up the top. Now you just need to add the extension to your browser, and just like that the extension is now in your toolbar, and this is actually how you will access your wallet. So if we go to the actual Yori Wallet, you've got to set it up in the first place. So first we're going to choose our language. Next, you need to agree to the terms of use by ticking this little box down here and then clicking continue. Now you can start using Cardano payment URLs. So these are special links which you can send to people so you can receive your payment faster and easier. If you don't want to use this, just click skip, but we're going to click allow. Again, as this is adding on to your extension, you'll need to allow it at the browser level as well. So that's the initial setup. Now we need to create wallet by ticking create wallet. Then you need to click Cardano, so you're making a Cardano ADA wallet, and again click create wallet. Now you need to name your wallet and create your spending password. The spending password is used whenever you're moving money, staking or unstaking your money, so you really need to make sure that this is kept in a safe place. On the next screen you're going to be given your recovery phrase, so get a pen and paper ready, as this phrase is really important. If you lose this phrase, then you'll lose access to your wallet if you ever need to reinstall it. So you need to write down these words in this exact order. So if you reinstall your browser or get a new computer, to access your wallet again, you're going to need to put in this recovery phrase. So we recommend writing it down on a bit of paper and actually keeping it in a very secure place like a fireproof safe. Once you've written it down, just click the box that says yes, I've written it down. Just to test that you actually got the right recovery phrase, now they'll give you all those words and you have to click them in the order that they appeared before. And then there's just this last check just saying that you've understood that you need to keep your recovery phrase in a secure place. Just tick both these boxes and click confirm. Again, we can't stress how important this is. You need to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place, like a fireproof safe. Otherwise, if you lose it, you could lose access to your wallet and your money forever. So now it's time to transfer your ADA. We're not going to show you how to do this from the exchange level because every exchange is different, but we'll show you how to do it from the wallet side of things. So this is the Yori desktop. You want to click receive, and then it's going to give you your wallet address. So what you'll need to do is copy this wallet address, go to your exchange, click send, and then copy in your wallet address, and then it will send your funds to this wallet. Just make sure you're actually sending ADA. So going back to the Yori desktop dashboard, we're going to stake our ADA. So you need to click on the delegation list on the right. And this is going to give you a big list of all the pools. There's about 3,000 pools in operation at the time of recording this. But if you want to delegate to Upstream and help support financial and ecological charities, then just type Upstream or UPSTR in the search box up the top and then click the search button. Now you need to do is click delegate on the right hand side, enter the amount that you want to delegate. So if you don't want to delegate all your ADA, you don't have to. And then as I mentioned earlier, you'll need to enter your spending password. This was the first password that you created. Once that's all done, you just need to click delegate. And that's it, you've delegated your ADA. So you may not receive any rewards for the first roughly 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. And then after that, you'll start getting rewards, which will average out to about 5% APY across the year. I hope we've made that quite nice and easy for you to follow, but if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.